আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহ। স্বাগতম সবাইকে আজকের এই ক্লাসে। আমরা আজকে আইসোটোপ, আইসোবার, আইসোমার, আইসোটোন এবং আইসোটার্স এই শব্দগুলোকে নিয়ে একটু ব্যাখ্যা করব। সো ইংলিশ ভার্সন স্টুডেন্ট, তোমরা যারা দেখছো বা যারা যেখান থেকে দেখছো, তোমাদের সবার উপরে আল্লাহ তাআলার রহমত বরকত নাজিল হোক। এই যে শব্দগুলো আমি লিখেছি, আইসোটোপ, টোনস, বার্স, আইসোমার্স, তোমরা যখন কেমিস্ট্রিতে স্ট্রাকচার অফ ম্যাটারটা পড়েছো, যেখানে তোমরা অ্যাটমকে বোঝার চেষ্টা করেছো বা রেডিও অ্যাক্টিভিটি যেই শব্দটা আছে এটাকে যখন বোঝার চেষ্টা করেছো, তখন ডেফিনেটলি এই শব্দগুলো তোমাদের সামনে এসেছে। সো আজকের ক্লাসটা এই শব্দগুলোকে একটু এক্সপ্লেন করার জন্য। ফার্স্ট অফ অল আমাদের মনে রাখতে হবে, আমরা যখন একটা অ্যাটমকে পড়ি, অ্যাটমের যেই পার্মানেন্ট পার্টিকেলগুলো আছে তার মধ্যে কি কি আছে? ইলেকট্রন, প্রোটন এবং নিউট্রন। সো আমরা যখন একটা অ্যাটমকে পড়ি তখন আমরা কি চিন্তা করছি? যে অ্যাটমের ভিতরে যে নিউক্লিয়াসটা আছে, এই নিউক্লিয়াসের ভিতরে প্রোটনস থাকে এবং নিউট্রনস থাকে, আর অফকোর্স বাইরে ইলেকট্রন থাকে। সো আমরা যারা রাদারফোর্ডের মডেল, বোরস মডেল স্টাডি করেছি, আমরা জানি যে নিউক্লিয়াসের ভিতরে প্রোটন আর নিউট্রন থাকে। দ্যাট মিনস নিউট্রনগুলো হচ্ছে নিউট্রাল অ্যান্ড প্রোটনসগুলো হচ্ছে পজিটিভ, ইলেকট্রনগুলো হচ্ছে নেগেটিভ। নাও থিঙ্ক অ্যাবাউট দ্যাট, যখন কোয়েশ্চেনটা আসবে হোয়াট অ্যাবাউট দ্য আইসোটোপস, টোনস, বার্স অ্যান্ড মার্স, আমরা কিভাবে থিঙ্ক করব? সো প্রোটন আর নিউট্রন সংখ্যা বা নাম্বারটা, এটাকে আমরা যদি একসাথে চিন্তা করি, দ্য নাম্বার অফ প্রোটনস অ্যান্ড দ্য নাম্বার অফ নিউট্রনস টুগেদার ইজ কল্ড দ্য ম্যাস নাম্বার। আই হোপ ইউ নো দিস ইজ ম্যাস নাম্বার। সো আমরা যখনই ম্যাস নাম্বারটা চিন্তা করব, দিস ইজ ম্যাস নাম্বার, ওর এটার আরেকটা নাম আছে, মাস্ট বিটা মাথায় রাখতে হবে, দিস ইজ নিউক্লিয়ার নাম্বার। সো দিস ইজ নিউক্লিয়ার নাম্বার। সো the mass number is simply the summation of proton numbers and neutron numbers. ওকে, এখন আমি যদি বলি যে অ্যাটমের আইডেন্টিটি কি, সো অ্যাটমের আইডেন্টিটি হচ্ছে the number of protons is defined the atoms actually. যেমন মনে করো আমি যদি বলি the number of proton, if the number of proton is 3, then you must say this is lithium. আমি যদি বলি number of proton হচ্ছে 11, তাহলে তুমি কি বলবা? এটা হচ্ছে সোডিয়াম। বা number of protons যদি হয় 20, then you say this is calcium. So atom's identity totally depends on the number of proton, but mass number is that the summation of proton number and neutron number. তাহলে আমরা নাম্বার অফ প্রোটন আর নাম্বার অফ নিউট্রন এই দুটাকে সামেশন করলে আমরা ম্যাস নাম্বার পাবো, অথবা এটার আরেকটা নাম হচ্ছে নিউক্লিয়ার নাম্বার। এখন আমরা যখন কোনো একটা অ্যাটমকে লিখি, আমরা কিভাবে লিখি? আমরা লিখি হচ্ছে লাইক, আমি যদি এখন সিম্পলি বলি যে ম্যাগনেসিয়াম, সো দ্য অ্যাটমিক নাম্বার ইজ 12 and mass number is 24. So you know that 24 is the mass number, so it means the number of neutrons and protons is 24, and this is actually 12, so this is atomic number. So what we actually express, atomic number is nothing but the proton numbers. So here we have 12, it means there are 12 protons of a magnesium atom. So atomic number টাই হচ্ছে number of proton. So আমরা লিখতে পারি this is actually the number of proton, and atomic number কে আমরা Z দিয়ে এক্সপ্রেস করি। But mass number এটা কি? Simply the number of proton plus the number of neutrons, এবং আমরা এটাকে A দিয়ে ডিফাইন করি। সো আমি যদি এখন ম্যাস নাম্বারটা জানি, তাহলে আমি অবশ্যই নিউট্রন নাম্বারটাও জানবো, বিকজ সিম্পলি উই ক্যান ডিডাক্ট ম্যাস নাম্বার মাইনাস প্রোটন নাম্বার, দেন উইল ফাইন্ড নিউট্রন নাম্বার। কীরকম? আমি যদি সিম্পলি জানি দ্যাট Z ইজ ইকুয়াল টু হোয়াট? নাম্বার অফ প্রোটন, and A is equals to number of proton plus neutron. So if I just deduct A minus Z, then I will find neutron number. So I hope this is very easy, and I hope you know it, that neutron number is nothing but the deduction number from A to Z. So Z means atomic number, and atomic number means proton number. Clear? So very simply atoms identity টা আমাদের কাছে খুব টাফ কিছু না, but the thing is how we can find that isotope, isotones and isobars. Let's study about it. What about the word iso? Iso মানে হচ্ছে same. Iso মানে হচ্ছে same. Just remember one thing. Iso মানে হচ্ছে same. Now if I say what about isotope? Well, last word, just think about the last word. Tope, that is P. So as it has P, we can say that this is the proton number. So in case of isotope, we can say same protons. So in case of isotope, we can say this is same protons. In case of isotone, you see last word is N. Now we can say this is neutron number. So isotone means same neutrons. And last of all, isobar. Here bar means nucleon. That means mass number. So we can say that this is same mass number, or you can say that this is same nucleon number. So firstly, আমরা এই তিনটা জিনিসকে আগে একটু এক্সপ্লেইন করার চেষ্টা করব. What about isotope? Let's see. In case of hydrogen, well, I can write that 1 hydrogen, or even 2 1 hydrogen, 3 1 hydrogen. So this is hydrogen. All these three are hydrogen atom, but there is a very slight differences. What are those? You see the proton number, the atomic number are same. All atomic number are same. This is 1 and 1. So you see that all Z are same, but the neutron are not same. So 1 neutron. There is no neutron, there is only protons. So this 1 means the proton and neutron number together 1. Here is 2. So simply we can say that is single proton. Here 1 proton and 1 neutron, and here 1 proton and 2 neutron. So if we add 1 plus 2, we'll find 3. If we add 1 plus 1, we'll find 2, and this is single proton. So simply we can say that proton numbers are atomic number. So wherever the proton numbers are same, we can say this is isotope. So here is called protium, deuterium and tritium. So this is protium, deuterium and tritium. So we can say that this is protium, this is deuterium, and this is tritium. These three are the isotope of hydrogen. So what is the meaning of isotope? Same proton number, same element, but different nucleon number. That means different mass number. Like if you have another more example of isotope, you can write like 12 6 carbon, 13 6 carbon, or even 14 6 carbon. You see there are 3 examples of carbon isotope. Here you see that carbons have same atomic number. That means proton number is same, but you see the neutron number different. So in this atom 12টা যদি neutron number mass number থাকে, তাহলে we can find that here is 6 proton 6 neutron, here is 6 proton 7 neutron, and here is 6 proton 8 neutron. So this is isotope of carbon. So 13 12 13 and 14, this is isotope of carbon. So whenever you see the proton number are same, isotope. And again also think about uranium. In case of uranium, you will find 235 92 uranium. It is also another isotope, that is 238 92 uranium. So 238 uranium, that means what? 235 is the mass number of uranium and the proton number is the atomic number, 92. So in this atom it has 92 proton, but how many neutrons it has? 235 minus 92. So 235 minus 92, that is 143 neutron. And in this case 238 nucleon number and 92 proton number or atomic number. So if we deduct 238 minus 92, it would be 92 proton and 146 neutron. একটু ভাবো একটা ইউরেনিয়ামের অ্যাটমের মধ্যে 146টা নিউট্রন থাকে আর 92 প্রোটন থাকে। So 92 proton is same in both cases, 92 proton, 92 proton, that means atomic number ta same but nuclear number ta difference due to the differences of neutrons number. So as neutrons number differs, so mass number also differs, and that is the example of isotope. Even you also think about oxygen. There are three examples of oxygen, like you can think about 16-8 oxygen, 17-8 oxygen, 18-8 oxygen. So same figure, same topic, that is 8 is the atomic number, so atomic number are same but the nucleon number are different. So it has 8 neutron, it has 9 neutron and it has 10 neutron, because you think just deduct 18 from 8. So this is all example of isotope. So I hope you understand, and this is very easy actually. Isotope means same proton number but different mass number or nucleon number. Now think about isotone. In case of isotone, we know that iso means same. So as we have we have n in the last of word, that we can say that neutron numbers are same. So in case of isotope, neutron number would be same. Think about 23, 11. You can guess the element, 11 atomic number, nothing but this is sodium. So sodium and 24, 12, this is the identity of the atom, and that is actually magnesium. These two are isotones. Why? Because you see that isotone, that means 23 minus 11. So 23 minus 11, that is, this is mass number and this is atomic number. So it has 11 proton and 12 neutron. Okay? And then 12 actually is not actually, this is 23, 12 neutrons, and this is actually 12 protons and 12 neutrons. Now you see that the mass number are not same, the proton numbers are also not same, but what is the main part that is actually similar? The neutron number. So as the neutron numbers are same, this is isotone. So wherever in case of isotone, think about the neutron number are same. You will find that mass number and the proton number, they will not match. So 23 is the mass number of sodium, 24 is mass number of magnesium. But in case of atomic number, if you deduct from mass number the atomic number, you will find the same neutron number, and that is the example of isotone. Again, in case of isotone, you will find another example like carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. Think about 14, 15, 16. 14, 15 and 16. So in this case 6, 7, 8. You see the atoms here, that carbon, nitrogen and oxygen, they are also isotone, as because you see that 14 is the nuclear number of what? Carbon. 15 is the nuclear number of nitrogen and 16 is the nuclear number of oxygen. So if you deduct from mass number to atomic number, you will find 8 neutron, 8 neutron and 8 neutron. So isotones হচ্ছে different element হবে, different element but neutron same neutron. This is the example of isotone. Now think about isobar. Simply the mass number are same, so same mass number or same nuclear number is isobar. So in case of isobar, I can give you another example like carbon, nitrogen and oxygen same, like it can be isobars, like isobars. This is actually what? Carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. Again it can be carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, but different what? Mass number same, proton number different. So it would be 14, 14, 14, which is possible, 6, 7, 8. So these atoms are isobars, as because you see the nuclear number are same. So when you have the same nuclear number like 14, 15, 14, 14, 14, so all nucleus number are same, this is isobar. The proton numbers are different. Well, in case of proton numbers, when it is same, if it has same proton number, this is isotope. If it is same mass number, this is isobar. And again you see the another good, well-known example, that is argon, potassium and calcium. Argon is 40, potassium is also 40, calcium is also 40, but the atomic number of argon is 18, 19, 20. So these three examples, that argon, potassium and calcium, they're also isobars, as because same mass number of argon 40, 40 and 40, but different element. So when different element having same mass number but different proton numbers, they are called isobar. Okay, so isotope means what? Proton number same, isotone neutron number same, isobar mass number same. And now you see the example. You'll find more and more examples if you just Google, but I'm just giving you a very simple idea. Okay, so now what about isoters? In terms of iso, we know that this is same, but if I say that isoters, it means same atoms and same structure. Same atoms and same structures. What structure? Structural formula same. Structure. Like what about you can think about BF3, boron trifluoride, and boron trichloride. They are isoters, as because you see the structure boron trifluoride. This is BF3. In case of boron trichloride, the chlorines will be attached with boron like this. So you see the structure of BF3 and BCl3, which is boron trifluoride and boron trichloride, are same. So these are called isoters. These are called isoters. And also you see that ammonia and the phosphonium, I hope you heard about it, ammonium and phosphonium are also isoters. The number of atoms in case of ammonia is 4, and in case of phosphine is also 4. So you can say that number of atom is same, nitrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, and 3 hydrogen is also attached with nitrogen and phosphorus. So this is ammonia and this is phosphonium, same, and these are called isoters. It is also common in case of H2O and H2S. So this is water and this is hydrogen sulfide. So the structure of hydrogen sulfide and water same, number of atoms is also same, so this is called isoters. But think about what is isomer. So you should not mix with the content here, that what is isomer and what is isobar. In case of isomer, always remember that iso means same, but in case of mar, the word is isomer at last mar, that means same molecule. molecule. That means the atoms, molecules number are same, but the structure would be different. In terms of isoters, that proton number, the atoms number are same, but structure same in terms of isoters. But in case of isomer, it would be only the molecule number would be same, but structure might different. Like C2H6O. You see there are 2 carbons, 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. What will happen? Like it can be CH3, CH2OH. This is ethanol, right? Ethanol, which is the explanation of C2H6O. That means there is 2 carbon, 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. And it also can happen like this, CH3OCH3. This is called dimethyl ether. So dimethyl ether and ethanol, they have the same molecule, 2 carbon, 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, but the differences are huge. They are not same product, they are not same element, they are not same compounds. Their characteristics are different, but they have same molecule, 2 carbon, 6 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. So now I hope I am giving you a very simple explanation regarding topes, bars, mars, tars and tones. So in short or in summary, I can say that iso same, top proton number same, isobars mass number same, isotones neutron number same, isoters atom same, structure same, isomer same molecule, so molecule number same. So okay, I think that is a very short lecture regarding isotopes and all other things. So I hope you can remember all these things. You must remember the last word. So P proton, N neutron and bar nuclear. So take care, and I'm coming up with the next video regarding the atomic mass, relative atomic mass and mass number. Bye bye.